I'm heading down to the dry creek bed of Medio Creek in southwestern San Antonio. The paths were made by ATVs. Looks like it would be a lot of fun. This section of Medio Creek is normally dry, except for a few pools. About a quarter to a half mile down, treated wastewater is released into the creek, and it has flow from then on. The creek flows from Western Bexar County outside of 1604 all the way to the Medina River near I-35 outside of 1604 southwest of San Antonio. In this area, there is usually a pool of water. Found a fossil in the creek bed. If anybody knows what it is, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. It's a nice little place, hidden away between several neighborhoods. Headed back out and back into civilization.